I just got the ELABEST Office Chair from Amazon for $149.50, and it came out to $158.99 after tax. Here's the front of the box. It says sit well, work better. It has their email address you can contact them at. Here's the left side of the box. It has the color, it comes in black, and it has the product size. So it's 19.3 inches in length, 18.5 inches in depth, and 39 to 42 inches in height. Here's the right side of the box. It has the same information. Here's the other side of the box. It says ELABEST Mid-Back Desk Chair. It has a picture of the chair. Nothing on the bottom of the box. And here's the top of the box. It says sit well, work better. And it also says please be careful when opening the carton.
Let's open it up. Cut the tape off the side of the box. Cut the tape off the other side of the box.
Let's see what's inside. Alright, we got a bunch of stuff wrapped in bubble wrap. Alright, here's our right arm. Let's take that out of the bubble wrap. Take the styrofoam off the top. And here is the right arm for the chair. Got your lever to make the arm go up and down right there. And looks like 3 holes to attach the arm to the rest of the chair. And an R to remind you that this is the right arm for the chair. Alright, let's take out the left arm for the chair. Rip that bubble wrap off of there. Same thing here with the left arm. Adjustable with the lever. Has an L on the bottom to tell you it's the left arm. And your holes to attach. The arms also have numbers to show you the height 1 through 6. Okay, let's take out the next piece of the chair. This looks like the back of the chair here, all wrapped in bubble wrap. So let's take that bubble wrap off of there. Nice and hefty, solid feeling. There's the mesh back of the chair. You have a metal connector down here for your screw holes, and it has a plastic cover over it. There's a look at the back of the chair and the lumbar support. Here looks like the cushion of the chair. Let's take the bubble wrap off of that cushion. So we got a nice fabric bottom for the chair. Alright, there's the bottom of the cushion. A label for front. Some screw holes around here. Let's see what we got here in the cardboard. Take the styrofoam off of there. Get the tape off of there. More tape on there. Ton of tape on here. Alright, inside the cardboard we have a bracket. Take the plastic off the bracket. Here we got the bracket and the handle to adjust the chair, and then the knob to adjust tension. Here looks like we have the bottom of the chair. Take the styrofoam off of there. Take the bubble wrap off of that too. And there's the base of the chair with some hard plastic. And there's the bottom of the base of the chair. Got like a silver metal ring in the middle. Take the cardboard out of there. We have another box. It says screw kit and manual. It says screw kit and manual on the other side. And then there's one more box. It says gas lift and casters inside. Cut open the box here. Okay, there's the manual. ELABEST. And then we have a ELABEST warranty card inside there. So that just has some warranty information. And then it says you can win a lumbar pillow by contacting them. Okay. There we got the screws. Another handle there. And they're labeled tools for armrest. And then below for seat plate for backrest. Let's see what's inside the gas lift and caster box. Here we have all the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. And there we have the lift for the chair. And there's nothing else in that box. So now that we have everything out of the box, let's set it up. Open up the package of caster wheels.
Lay all the caster wheels next to the base here so we can get ready to put them in.
We'll place the star base upside down. Insert our caster wheels. Just push them right down in there. Give it a little force. And our wheels are in, we're good to go. We're going to turn the star base right side up. Take the plastic off the gas lift. Insert that into the center hole. We're going to move our star base to the side, place our seat upside down, put the mechanism on top, lining up the screw holes with the arrow here pointing forward, just like this arrow's pointing forward. Now we will use the shorter screws, the M630 screws, or the number 10 in the pamphlet, to attach the mechanism to the seat plate.
We can start these bolts off by hand. When putting this together, if you're using the tool that is included, I would advise to put the right arm on first. Otherwise, you'll struggle to screw it in due to the lever on this mechanism.
Now we got our screws in there, we can tighten them up with an Allen wrench, or the tool provided in the package. So let's just tighten up those screws there.
I want to get all 4 bolts nice and tight, so I'm going to screw them all down with the tool provided. Make sure our mechanism is secured to the back of our seat here.
Next up, I'm going to attach the right armrest onto the bottom of the seat plate using the longer M6 by 35 screws, or number 9. Let's take out our longer screw and get that screw started. Start our next screw and our bottom screw. This lever here is a bit in the way, so I wish it said to put on the arm first before the mechanism. We can still make it work. Tighten up the screws with our tool. I would recommend putting the right arm on first because this handle gets in the way. Otherwise, you can use an Allen wrench. And so we're just going to tighten that up with the Allen wrench like so. Once we get all those screws tightened up, we can move on to the next arm. And put the left arm on there. Then put the screws in and get them started. It's a lot easier to do when you don't have the mechanism in your way. Get the second screw started. And then get the final screw started. I'm going to tighten those all up now. Next up, I'm going to attach the backrest, number 3, to the seat plate using the M6 by 30 screws, or the shorter screws. It says make sure to not tighten too tightly to extend the life of the bracket. Alright, I'm going to start my screws off. Those go in really easily. I'll get all these screws in there. Tighten those screws up with our tool here. Get those snug, but not over tight. Alright, those look good. Finally, insert the gas lift into the center hole of the chair. We can make the arms go up and down using the levers. Chair going up and down using the lever. Feels good, feels solid. Let's bring the chair down.
Here's a close-up hitting the button and moving the arm up and down. Here's a close-up of the lever that allows the chair to go up and down. This knob is supposed to adjust the resistance when you recline the chair.
You can also pull the lever out. This will allow you to lean back in the chair to lock yourself in place. And there it is, the fully assembled chair. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.